Yeah, good afternoon, guys. Good evening to everyone. So, today we will be doing our quant session online. Yeah, our advanced quant guys, quants. So, today we'll start off with equations and ratios. Okay, our quant session, guys, today that we'll be starting doing is equations and ratios. So, under equations and ratios, we'll start with equations first. Okay. So equations are nothing but finding the unknown. Okay. Equations means finding the unknown. And that we'll start off with the first type, equations in one unknown. So in this equations in one unknown, we have three steps. The first step is read the problem carefully and assign a variable to the unknown quantity. So whatever that is unknown quantity that we have, yeah, assign a variable to that unknown quantity. That is the first step. And the second step is from the mathematical equation, okay, whatever you have assigned that unknown variable, that variable to that unknown quantity, form that mathematical equation, okay. So the second step is forming the mathematical equation. And guys, this brings to the third and final step, which is the easiest step, is to solve that formed equation. So isolate variable on one side and remaining values on the other side to get the desired value of your result. Okay. So we will start off with solving some basic problems. Okay. For instance, you guys, if you can just give your attention to the chat box. Yeah. So I have given out a question in the chat box, guys. So 7x plus 23 is equal to 2 into x plus 4. Yeah. So solve for x, guys. We'll start off with easier questions like this, and then we will later handle a little more complex and a little more detailed questions. Okay. So we'll start off with this. Yeah. Solve for x, guys. Tell me what the answer is in a few minutes in the chat box, please. Yeah, Suraj, I would like you to reevaluate your answer if it is 2.3, because I don't think the correct answer is 2.3, Suraj. Yeah, please check your answer once again. Yeah, Dhanush, please verify your answer once again. I don't think it is 3. Please verify your answer once again. Yeah, guys, if you will pay attention to the chat box, 2.3 is not really the right answer, Suraj. Pay attention to the chat box, guys. I have sent you an explanation of how uh, what the answer is. So, first, we'll be doing 7x plus 23 is equal to, yeah, Dhanush, minus 3 is the right answer. So, 7x plus 23 is equal to 2x plus 8. So, we multiply the 2 with the x plus 4. Then we will transfer the 2x and change the sign. So we will arrive at 7x minus 2x is equal to 8 minus 23. Further simplifying, we can observe we get 5x is equal to minus 15. And further simplifying on more, we'll get x is equal to minus 3. Yeah, so minus 3 is your right answer. Okay. Okay, guys, solve for the next one. I'll be putting it down in the chat box. Okay. Please pay attention. Yeah, guys, I have given your next question in the chat box. So please solve for X with the following question. Okay. Yeah, Suraj, 13 is the right answer. Guys, 13 is the right answer. So if you pay attention to the chat box, I will be putting down the right answer now. Please observe. So I have given the explanation in the chat box, guys. So 10x minus 4 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 16. Yeah, simplified. Then after that we get 10x minus 4 is equal to 6x plus 48. Now putting the variables on the same side, we get 10x minus 6x is equal to 48 plus 4. So further simplifying, we get 4x is equal to 52. Yeah, that on simplifying, we'll get x is equal to 13, 1, 3. Okay, if you guys haven't written down the right answer, please note the right answer. Okay, now that you know how to solve these equations, we'll be moving on to a more specific part of solving equations wherein I will give you a question. Okay, I will be giving you a question with one unknown variable, and what you guys have to do is you guys have to answer that question. Yeah, you guys have to answer that question by forming an equation with the unknown variable. You have to use the unknown variable to form an equation, and your answer depends on based on how you form the equation. Okay, your answer solely depends on how you form an equation. So we'll start off with your first question as an example. Okay, 10 years later, comma, 10 years later, comma, Peter's age will be twice of his present age. Find Peter's present age. 10 years later, Peter's age will be twice of his present age. Find Peter's present age. Okay, guys, I'll repeat the question again. 10 years later, comma, Peter's age will be twice of his present age. Find Peter's, yeah, find Peter's present age is your question. Okay, let me know the answer in the comment section. I don't think the answer is 20, Suraj. Please recheck your answer. Yeah, please recheck your answer. Yeah, guys, if you will look towards the comment section, I will display the answer now in some time. Okay, just look towards the comment section. Yeah, guys. So in the comment section, I have displayed the answer. So the question was 10 years later, Peter's age will be thrice of his present age. Find Peter's present age. So in the above problem, Peter's age is the unknown. So we'll be taking his age as P. Let his unknown age be P. Okay. So now 10 years later, his age will be P plus 10. So that will be twice of his present age. So age after 10 years will be twice of his present age. That is P plus 10 is equal to 2 into P. So that's the equation we arrive at, guys. P plus 10 is equal to 2 into P. So solving that, we put the variables on one side. Yeah, we get 2P minus P is equal to 10. P is equal to 10. So thus Peter's present age is 10. Okay. So now guys, moving on to the next question. 15 years later, Harry's age will be thrice of his age 5 years ago. Find Harry's present age. Yeah. 15 years later, Harry's age will be thrice of his age 5 years ago. Find Harry's present age. Yeah, guys, go for it. I'll repeat myself for the last time. 15 years later, comma, Harry's age will be thrice of his age 5 years ago. Find Harry's present age. Yeah, guys, anyone with the answer for that question? Yeah, guys, so if you'll put pay attention towards the chat box, I will be giving you the answer. So, guys, it is h plus 15 is equal to 3 into h minus 5 is the equation you should arrive at. And how you arrive at this equation is like this. So, the question is 15 years later, Harry's age will be thrice of his age 5 years ago. Okay. Find Harry's present age. So, what is that? What we don't know his present age. So, let Harry's present age be h. After 15 years, his age will be h plus 5. So, what are they telling us? H plus 15. Sorry, after 15 years, his age will be h plus 15. So, what are they telling us? H plus 15 is equal to thrice that h plus 15 after 15 years will be thrice of his age 5 years ago. So, 3 into h minus 5. So, h plus 15 is equal to 3 into h minus 5. Further simplifying that, we get h is equal to 15. Okay. So, this is the answer for that question, guys. So, now moving on to the next question. Okay. Adam had $17.10 with him. Adam had $17.10 with him. He bought three apples for $1.50 each. Three apples for $1.50 each. Two mangoes of $1.35 each. Two mangoes of $1.35 each. Two mangoes of $1.35 each. And the rest he spent on nine guavas. And the rest he spent on nine guavas. Find the cost of two apples and one guava. Find the cost of two apples and one guava. So I'll repeat myself, guys. Adam had $17.10 with him. Adam had $17.10 with him. He bought three apples for $1.50 each. He bought three apples for $1.50 each. And two mangoes of $1.35 each. Two mangoes of $1.35 each. And the rest he spent on nine guavas. The rest he spent on nine guavas. Find the cost of two apples and one guava. Find the cost of two apples and one guava. Let me know the answer in the comment section, guys. Yeah, guys, anyone with the right answer, please comment in the chat box. Yeah, your question is, guys, you want me to repeat the question? So, your question is this: Adam had $17.10 with him. He bought three apples for $1.50 each, two mangoes of $1.35 each, and he spent the rest on nine guavas. Three apples for $1.50 each, two mangoes of $1.35 each, and the rest he spent on nine guavas. Find the cost of two apples and one guava. Yeah, guys, I'll be displaying your answer in the chat box. If you can please, yeah, pay your attention to the chat box. So, this is the equation you're supposed to arrive at, guys. This is not the final answer. So, cost of three apples is 3 into $1.50 each. So, that is 4.5. And let's say cost of 2 mangoes is 2 into 135, that is 2.7, and 9 guavas, we'll take it as 9 G's. We'll equate that to the total amount, that is $17.10, that is 17.10. Solving this equation, we get G is equal to 110. So that is cost of each guava will be $1.10. So they have asked us cost of two apples and one guava. So two apples is 2 into $1.50 each. So that is $3. Yeah. $3 plus $1.10 is $4.10 is your answer, guys. So the cost of two apples and one guava will be $4.10. Okay. So moving on, guys, to the next question. Initially, a tank is 3 by 8 full of water. Initially, a tank is 3 by 8 full of water. After adding 3 gallons water, tank becomes half filled. After adding 3 gallons water, tank becomes half filled. Find the capacity of the tank. So initially, a tank is 3 by 8 full of water, guys. After adding 3 gallons of water, the tank becomes half filled. Find the capacity of the tank. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'll repeat the question again if you have not got the question. Okay. The question is, initially a tank is 3 by 8 full of water. Initially a tank is 3 by 8 full of water. After adding 3 gallons water, after adding 3 gallons to that 3 by 8 full of water, the tank becomes half filled. So find the capacity of the tank. Yeah, anyone with the answer? Yeah, guys, if you will pay your attention to the chat screen. Okay. So I've displayed your answer. Okay. So we are given that initially a tank is 3 by 8 full of water. Okay. After adding 3 gallons water, the tank becomes half filled. So find the capacity of the tank. So what we don't know is the capacity of the tank. Yeah. So guys, we will take the capacity of the tank to be X gallons. So when the tank is initially 3 by 8 full of water, the water in the tank will be 3 by 8 X gallons, as you can see. Okay. After adding 3 gallons of water, total water will be 3 by 8x plus 3, which is the same of which is the same as half of capacity of the tank. So we'll equate it to half x. So 3 by 8x plus 3 is equal to half x. So solving this, we'll get x is equal to 24 gallons. Yeah. This will be the capacity of the tank, the initial capacity of the tank, guys. Okay, so now moving on to the next question. Last year, Betty's income from January to June was 15,000 more than her income from July till September in the same year. If her income is the same in every month, find her annual income. I'll repeat myself. Last year, Betty's income from January to June was 15,000 more than her income from July till September in the same year. Last year, Betty's income from January to June was $15,000 more than her income from July till September in the same year. If her income is the same in every month, find her annual income. Okay, solve for this, guys. Yeah, guys, I'll repeat the question again. Okay. Last year, Betty's income from January to June was $15,000 more than her income from July till September in the same year. Last year, Betty's income from January to June was $15,000 more than her income from July till September in the same year. If her income is the same in every month, find her annual income. Yeah, guys, I'll display the answer in your chat section. Okay, see, this is your answer. So, let Betty's monthly income, that is what we should find, be X. So, Betty's income from January till June, that is 6 months, we'll take it as 6X, is 15,000 more than her income from July till September. So, that will be 6x is equal to 15k plus 3x. That is the equation. So solving this, you will get x is equal to 5,000. That is your monthly income, guys. So annual income will be 5,000 into 12 months, which is 60,000. Yeah. So that will be your annual income. Okay. Moving on, we'll look at the next question. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Please text in the chat section. Okay, guys, your next question. A store only sells two types of books, textbooks at $5 per book and notebooks at $4 per book. If Barrett buys 7 books that cost him $31, how many books did he buy? A store sells only two types of books, textbooks at $5 per book and notebook at $4 per book. If Barrett buys 7 books that cost him $31, how many books did he buy? How many textbooks did he buy? A store sells only two types of books, textbooks at $5 per book and notebook at $4 per book. If Barrett buys 7 books that cost him $31, how many textbooks did he buy? Okay. Yeah, let me know the answer in the chat section in a few minutes, guys. Yeah, guys, anyone with the answer? I'll repeat the question. A store sells only two types of books, textbooks at $5 per book and notebook at $4 per book. If Barrett buys seven books that cost him $31, how many textbooks did he buy? Yeah, guys, so the answer for that question, a store sells only two types of books, textbooks at $5 per book and notebook at $4 per book. If Barrett buys seven books that cost him $31, how many textbooks did he buy? Yeah, so the answer is there in the comment section. So the quantity of textbooks we can take it as X, then the quantity of notebooks will be 7 minus X. So the cost of each will be $5 textbook and $4 notebook. So total cost will be 5x minus 4x plus, yeah, 28. That is plus 7 into plus 4 into 7 minus x. So 4 into 7 minus x, which is equal to 31. So arriving at that equation, solve for x and you will be getting your answer. Okay. Yeah, guys, we will stop here for today. We will continue with the same topic for tomorrow as well. Okay, hope all of you understood today's class equations. Yeah, we'll be looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow and continuing where we left off at. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.